guys, welcome back to the Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Nintendo Switch is not charging, or you're not able to charge your Nintendo Switch, which even very rarely, not rarely, very frequently occurs in between people, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one, when you're having this particular trouble, is all about you need to keep it for charging. That is what you have to do. You might be confused when I'm saying this. When your Nintendo Switch is not charging, you have to keep it for charging at least for 30 minutes, and you have to check whether you are having any physical damage, whether the battery is drained out, or there is an issue with the Nintendo Switch. So just keep it for charging for 13 minutes hardly, and after charging for 30 minutes, you have to turn on your Nintendo Switch and you have to check whether the battery is there, or you are having the charging is done properly or not. This is what you have to do as the very basic step. After cross-checking this, if the issue is still there, you can try it or move to the next step. That is all about you have to cross-check your adapter, which means the adapters plays a very important role when it comes to the charging. So if the adapters, chargers and the dock, whatever you are using in between, if all these are damaged, you'll not be able to charge your Nintendo Switch, and you might be thinking that your Nintendo Switch is not working. Maybe the problem is with might be the chargers. So you have to cross-check yourself whether the charger is working fine, whether the adapters is working fine. So the dock which you're connecting is having internet, having enough power supply, and all these kind of things has to be cross-checked from your side. And even after trying with this, if the issue is still there, we can move to the next one. Next one is all about sometimes many people charge the Nintendo Switch, and they have to keep in mind when they charge with the third-party chargers. What happens is even a new Nintendo Switch, they're gonna have damages a lot. So what you need to do is you have to keep in mind. So you have to use only the original chargers. You should not be never depending on the third-party chargers, because I found this from Reddit, where many people recommended that they're depending on the third-party charger, lead the Nintendo Switch and the battery to drain out and to have a lot of problems. So it is quite important for our side to keep in mind that we should not be depending on the third-party chargers. Always use the original chargers from the Nintendo Switch, or given by the company itself. If you start using the third-party chargers, what happens is these kind of issues will be happening. It will be affecting your Nintendo Switch. Simultaneously, vice versa, it will be affecting your battery as well, which is causing these kind of issue. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.